Sharp, fast, unstoppable. 2025's best chef's knives are here. We tested the top blades to see which one truly rules the kitchen. Stick around because the winner might surprise you. And hey, hit subscribe, drop a thumbs up or down, and tell us which one's your pick. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Hedley Bennett Chef's Knife. It was love at first slice. Beyond its clean, minimalist design, this knife feels great in the hand thanks to a lightweight, ergonomic handle. Best known for their chef-inspired aprons, Hedley Bennett teamed up with pro chefs again, this time to create a knife that's as functional as it is beautiful. The 3-layer Japanese steel blade delivered serious precision, from delicate herbs to thick cuts of steak. Despite its light build, it powered through tougher jobs like butternut squash. A smooth spine adds comfort and control, making longer prep easy on the hands. And with 4 bold colors, it blends performance with style. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned cook, slicing and dicing with it is a joy. Number 2. Victorinox Fibrox Pro 8-inch Chef's Knife. The Fibrox Pro may not feel as solid as some premium knives, but don't underestimate it. In testing, it handled rocking, chopping, and slicing with excellent control. Only dense squash gave it slight trouble. Edge-to-edge sharpness rivaled knives twice its price, and it held that edge well over time. The blade is stamped from Swiss stainless steel and lacks a full tang, giving it a lighter, somewhat cheaper look. But at just 6.5 ounces, it's balanced, comfortable, and easy to maneuver. Amazon backs it up, over 13,000 reviews, averaging 4.8 stars. It's not heirloom quality, but with razor-sharp performance at a budget price, it's our best value pick. Number 3. Mac Professional Series 8-inch Chef's Knife with Dimples. Mac may not be as famous as Shun or Global, but this knife is a standout. Forged from hard Japanese steel, sharpened on both sides like a Western blade, the Mac delivers sharpness, control, and versatility. At just 6.8 ounces, it's incredibly precise. From ripe tomatoes to dense squash, it breezed through everything. The thin, high-carbon blade with dimples reduced sticking, giving us flawless basil chiffonade and effortless minced garlic. Control was unmatched. It's a joy for detailed work. Beginners might prefer the sturdier feel of German knives, but for cooks who want precision above all, this Mac is a dream. Number 4. Misen Chef's Knife. Part of one of our favorite knife sets, the Misen impressed in nearly every test. It has the heft to split a tough squash, yet stays comfortable for extended chopping, slicing, and dicing. Balanced in the hand, with a smooth, ergonomic handle that prevents fatigue, is designed for long sessions. What sets Misen apart is the detail beyond the blade. Each knife comes with clear guidance on holding, cleaning, and storing, making it beginner-friendly while still pro-worthy. The chef's knife alone is solid, but it's an even better deal when you pick it up as part of Misen's 3, 5, or 7-piece sets. Number 5. Zwilling Pro 8-inch Chef's Knife. One of the most iconic names in knife making, and it shows. Crafted from high-carbon German steel, the Zwilling Pro weighs 9.5 ounces, making it the heaviest knife we reviewed. That extra weight gave it the power to crush tough tasks, yet it still felt balanced in hand. Despite its heft, it sliced delicate tomatoes without tearing. The wide, tapered bolster stood out too, offering a secure, comfortable grip that made prep sessions easier. Overall, sturdy, balanced, and dependable. A great starter knife for beginners and a worthy addition to any pro's collection. And the best chef's knife of 2025, the Mac Professional Series MTH80. Razor sharp, perfectly balanced, built to handle everything from delicate herbs to tough cuts of meat. If you want pro-level performance, this is the blade to own.